Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video, we are installing this beauty right here. ISEE Hair sent me over a little gift from their princess collection, and let me tell you, I'm feeling like a princess. They did what they had to do. If y'all want the details on this glorious jet black 26-inch unit, stick around. But before you go, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
So as I said earlier, we are working with ISEE Hair and I'm very excited. This is their new princess collection, so we finna see if this wig is royalty material, okay? First things first, I absolutely love the packaging. This is how it was sent to me, and I thought the bag was literally the cutest thing ever. It made me feel like I went and got this in stores, like, okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Very cute, look at this, yes. Okay, ISEE Hair, come on with this packaging. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is the wig, but I'm gonna open up their little seal right here. So we're gonna take the wig out because we are doing that last. And we're gonna take a look at the goodies that they sent us. So first things first is this cute eye mask. It says princess on it. They sent me 6 pairs of lashes. Come on, a bonnet, love. And last but not least, oh, I was waiting for this, an ISEE Hair wig band. Y'all, I literally have a collection of wig bands from different companies. All right, so this baby is long and it is straight. I haven't done a straight black wig in a while, so I am very excited. Ooh, y'all, come on, hair quality. Honestly, this looks longer. This is giving me like 28, maybe even 30, like y'all. Okay, starting off great. Next, let's look at this pre-plucked hairline and HD lace. Can y'all get into this? Look at that. I just want to make sure y'all can really see like how great this plucking is. And we are working with a nice invisible lace. We have some lace at the back here in case you wanted to glue it down. We also have our piano key adjustments and a comb, as well as an adjustable wig band. So I probably can wear this glueless. This is their new pre-bleached knots, silky straight, human hair, invisible HD lace front wig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tint this lace real quick and then we're gonna put her right on. All right, it is on. Whoa. So let me grab a comb through the hair real quick. I'm just gonna grab a claw clip and I'm going to put the hair back a little bit. All right, if I can find my scissors. Let's go ahead and cut our earpieces. So now that this is sitting perfectly on my head, we are going to cut the lace. All right, so lace is cut. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add some lace tint right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of holding spritz. We are going to let this dry down a little bit and then we'll put our melting band on. While this is melting, we are going to work on our hairline. So I'm gonna take out my wax stick and apply that along the hairline, just a little bit, just to get ready for this hot comb. Also gonna clean up this part just a little bit. All right, now I'm bringing out my hot comb. I love straight wigs because I don't have to worry about ruining any curls or anything. I also like pushing it back first. That way the hair will be trained to stay out of my face, because even though I'm wearing my hair down, I don't want the hair all up in my face. Like, it's just not how I am. Cool. So now we're nice and flat. Love that. And we're gonna take our wig band off and see what this lace looks like. Now that our lace is nice and melted, we're gonna finish tinting. So I'm just gonna take some cream foundation and we're gonna, you know, yeah. And last but not least, we are going to highlight our part. And we are done. Oh, this is a behind the ears wig, y'all. Peep. Let me give y'all the details, and I'm gonna get out of here because I'm gonna go take some pictures. So this is ISEE's new pre-bleached knots, silky straight, human hair, invisible hdlace front wig. 13x4 frontal, 26 inches. Again, did I say it enough? Pre-bleached, pre-plucked hairline. Everything is pretty much done for you except for cutting the lace. So all you gotta do is just put that hoe on. And boom. Yeah, I am definitely a fan of this wig. The install process was so quick and it was very, very easy. Also, the quality of this hair, everything. And I'm living for 26 inches of jet black. Shout out to ISEE Hair for sending me this wig. I definitely feel like a princess. I think y'all hit the mark on this one. All I need is a little crown. Go get this wig. That's all I have to say. That's it. If y'all are still here, that means y'all enjoyed the video and you really like the wig. So go ahead and leave me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below your thoughts. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself,